I've had some issues with stringing, to say the least, and it's quite an annoying problem that seems like it should be really easy to fix, and yet it's just not. Take a look at this statue. If you look very closely, you'll see a lot of horrible mistakes. This is all caused by a little phenomenon called stringing. It's a very common 3D printing problem, and I hate it, and it won't go away, and it's torturing me every second of my living being.
It looks like he has a pee-pee.
You know that song, like the Rain Rain Go Away song that kids will sing in like first grade? Yeah, can we do that, but for like stringing? And to top it all off, this print was already going to turn out bad because I decided not to even try to optimize my settings. I just wanted to print it out. Overall, this just isn't a good print, and I'm not really sure why it's in my background 24/7, but it's going to stay there for now until I print a better one, which I haven't yet. I kind of hate that statue. Oh, and by the way, you couldn't see the extent of the stringing problem here. You could only see it with a fresh statue off the printer. I actually have a fresh version of this statue off the printer to show off and show you that my stringing problem is very bad at the moment. I gotta be very careful with this thing. Oh, good Lord. You know, besides the obvious arm that got absolutely destroyed because I didn't put any support on it, look at all these strings, man. This is insane. Like, this shouldn't be a thing ever on any print. Look how terrible this is. Oh, and yes, by the way, I used the same G-code for this print as that one. And yes, it is a huge mess. So many strings on this thing, I could make a shoelace factory or set up a colony of spiders. It absolutely ruins your prints. It makes them look so bad, it leaves a bunch of little tags on the end, and it overall just makes everything look so much worse. It also looks extremely amateur, and it's pretty difficult to get rid of. Yeah, it makes me look like an amateur. Whoop-de-doo, what a surprise. And you think I would have fixed this by now, especially considering I made a whole video on how to prevent stringing. That video does give a lot of good information on how to prevent your statues from looking like this, but I didn't follow my own advice for some reason. But today's video is not all about hating on stringing. Despite what the title and my tone so far has been giving off, I don't hate it, not entirely. That's why I came up with a massive list of ideas of what to do with all these extra strings, starting with use them as guitar strings. Oh, and great, the strings are too flimsy, and that was my only idea. Damn it! Are there even any uses for string? That was my only idea. I guess not then. It's just ugly and messy. But at least the title of this video is now valid. One step forward, two steps back though. I guess my main issue with string is that no matter what I seem to do, it just never stops. Whether I tinker the settings for hours, or if I try to fix the G-code, reslice, use a different statue, it just doesn't go away. Of course, this file that I just showed off earlier is a complete mess that could be easily improved, but I digress, and stringing still haunts me. It constantly comes back to invade my prints and loom over me like a very condescending parent. I don't know where this analogy is going. And in the end, really, I can just remove it from my prints. But that doesn't make me feel good. It makes me feel really dumb, and it makes me sad. And if I could just not have it there in the first place, that would be awesome. Stringing, you win this round. But this is only round 1. Floyd Mayweather and Logan Paul went 8, and that ended in a draw. I don't know where this is going. Stringing, you win this round, but you're only up by 1. Or 3 or 4. I don't know how scores work in the 3D printing world. For now, stringing bests me. And it pains me to say that I may not beat it for a while. But someday I will come back stronger than ever, and stringing will be gone forever. I'm Callum from Callum Prints, and I will see you in the next video.